Welcome to another video of my channel. Today we're going to a very special place. It's on the very edge of China and the start of North Korea. You guessed it, it's Dandong, very near the border of North Korea. But before that, we're in Shenyang, a few hundred km from Dandong. To get there, we need to board the train departing from the Shenyang railway station. So now let's get our tickets to go to Dandong. The train is moving, as you can see outside, and we're gonna eat some instant noodles. I'm just gonna open it. Okay, so you can see there's like a lot of seasoning and sauce inside, but the spicy bit is not good. It's really spicy if you put it inside. So I'm gonna put that aside. In the northern part of China, where it's in the winter, most people would eat this. So yeah, it's quite famous. You can see on the screen that is 239 kilometers per hour. So it's one of the fastest trains in China. The trains in China here can go two ways. So you can see she's flipping the seats around. Okay, so now it's pretty loud out here, so now we're gonna just walk over out of the train station into the border of North Korea. Welcome to Dandong, China, the very border of North Korea. The bridge, as you see here, connects China to North Korea. So you can see now that this is actually the river that separates China from North Korea. So there you see, that place is actually North Korea. So that we're really close to North Korea now. So that's North Korea, and then if you look back, this is China. Okay, so if you see here, this is actually one of the pillars that supports the bridge. Alright, be very careful. So you see that is the pillar. So that's the pillar. And then if we go forward here, that is the sea. Yep, yeah, that's a river. Alright, so you can see here that the bombs have made a huge difference on the metal. Okay, so you can see here that this is all crushed up. So you can see this is a bomb. This is an aerial view of the bridge we're on right now. During the Korean War, the other half of the bridge was badly damaged, so these are the pillars that remained. So this is the new Yalu River Bridge, but it can only be used for trains. So now I'm just going off the bridge, and I'm gonna head back to the train station and go back.
2 hours later.
We're now on the train ready to head back to Shenyang. During the winter, skating is very popular, especially in the southern parts, where there's a lot of snowfall.